Hey everyone, unlock true high resolution audio with the Sony WH-1000X M6. Optimize your settings for the richest, most immersive sound experience. Use a wired connection with the high resolution DAC or enable LDAC 990 kbps on Android for the best wireless quality. Set EQ to a natural curve using the Sony Headphones Connect app. Turn off TSEE Extreme and disable extra features like adaptive sound control and speak to chat. Use high resolution audio sources FLAC, ALAC from TIDAL, QOBUZ, or Apple Music with losses enabled for pure detailed sound. Use high quality audio sources, music file formats FLAC, ALAC, WAV, AIFF, or DST. Avoid MP3 and AAC. Streaming services with high resolution audio TIDAL, Hi-Fi Plus, MQA, QoBuzz Studio, Amazon Music HD, Apple Music losses enabled, target resolution 24-bit per 96 kHz or higher for true high resolution experience. Choose the right connection. Wired connection recommended for purest sound. Use the supplied 3.5 mm headphone cable. Connect the straight plug to the left ear cup and the L-shaped plug to your playback device. For high resolution audio, pair with a high res certified DAC per ampere, example i5 5O Audio Quest. Wireless LDAC preferred on Android enabled LDAC codec in developer settings. Set LDAC to best effort 990 kbps in Bluetooth settings. Use Sony headphones Connect app to prioritize sound quality over connection stability. Steps to enable LDAC option in mobile device. Connect your Sony WH-1000X M6 to your Android phone via Bluetooth. Go to settings, then go to about phone and tap build number 7 times to unlock developer options. If your mobile is in warranty period, it is not recommended to enable developer mode as it cancel the warranty benefits. Go back to settings, then system, then go to developer options. Scroll down and tap on Bluetooth audio codec, then choose LDAC. Tap on Bluetooth LDAC codec, playback quality and select best effort adaptive bit rate. Optional for highest quality, you can choose optimize for audio quality to force 990 kbps, but it may reduce connection stability. If you are using iOS devices, use wired mode as iOS doesn't support LDAC. Enable lossless audio in Apple Music settings. Go to settings, then go to music, then audio quality, then turn on lossless audio and select high res lossless for the highest quality. Optimize EQ settings in Sony Headphone Connect app. Open the Sony Headphones Connect app on your phone. Make sure your WL1000X M6 headphones are connected. Tap on the Sound tab in the app, scroll to the Equalizer section and tap on it. Select a preset like Bright or Excited or tap Custom to set your own values. For a balanced audiophile sound, adjust the bands like this: 400 Hz, -1 1 kHz, 0 2.5 kHz, +1 6.3 kHz, +2 and 16 kHz, +3. Clear bass 0, neutral, no coloration. Tap Save to store the custom EQ settings. Use the EQ whenever you want clean, detailed sound with minimal coloration. Method 4. Configure other sound settings. Open the Sony Headphone Connect app on your phone. Make sure your WH-1000X M6 headphones are connected. DSEE Extreme off. Skip this if using true high-res files. Adaptive sound control off prevents automatic sound mode changes. Speak to chat off. Avoid unintended interruptions. 360 reality audio off, useless using compatible content from TIDAL or Amazon. Ambient sound control off or set to 0 for a sealed listening environment. Noise cancellation on for quieter background and clearer detail. Off if you want less DSP interface. Method 5. Using noise cancelling or ambient sound button on headset. The noise cancelling or ambient sound button on the Sony WH-1000X-M6 is used to switch between noise cancelling, ambient sound, and off mode. It is located on the left ear cup just below the headphone's power button. This control helps reduce background noise, noise cancelling, or let it outside sound ambient sound. For high-res audio, noise cancelling on gives the best sound clarity by blocking external noise, especially in quiet environment. To enable noise cancelling or ambient sound, make sure the headphones are powered on and worn properly. Press the noise control or ambient sound button on the left ear cup and you will get notification sound. Each press cycle through noise cancelling, ambient sound and off. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.